Hey everyone, welcome to this quick guide on how to transfer money from your Chase account to HSBC in 2025. Whether you're sending funds for personal reasons, investments, or just managing your finances across banks, this process has gotten even easier with the latest updates. Let's dive right in so you can get it done in no time. First, make sure you have both your Chase and HSBC accounts set up and verified. You'll need key details like your HSBC account number, routing number, and possibly a SWIFT code if it's an international transfer. Always double-check these to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Open the Chase mobile app or log into the Chase website using your secure credentials. In 2025, Chase has enhanced its interface for smoother navigation, so look for the Transfers tab at the top menu. Step 2. Once you're in the Transfers section, select External Transfer or Wire Transfer. This is where you'll link to another bank like HSBC. Step 3. Enter the recipient's details carefully. Input your HSBC account information, the amount you want to transfer, and choose the transfer type, such as ACH for domestic or wire for faster international moves. Step 4. Review everything on the summary page. Check for accuracy in amounts, dates, and fees. Chase might show estimated processing times and costs here, which can vary from 1 to 3 business days. Step 5. Hit Confirm to finalize the transfer. You'll likely get a confirmation email or notification. Keep an eye on that for tracking. A few quick tips. Be mindful of any transfer fees from both banks, and consider the exchange rate if it's international. For security, use two-factor authentication and never share sensitive info. And that's it. You've successfully moved money from Chase to HSBC. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and let us know in the comments if you have questions. Thanks for watching. See you next time.